Let's make this 2-ingredient powerful hair growth promoting gel. First ingredient is neem leaves. They are known to have properties that can help promote hair growth when topically applied. Neem leaves can help improve blood circulation in the scalp, reduce inflammation, and provide essential nutrients to the hair follicles, which can stimulate hair growth. You can purchase neem leaves online or find them in the wild. Second is aloe vera. It's also known to have properties that can promote hair growth. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can help remove dead skin cells from the scalp, which can unclog hair follicles and promote hair growth. Aloe vera also contains vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, C, and E, which can nourish the scalp and hair follicles, making them healthier and stronger. Here's your recipe. 1 cup of fresh neem leaves, half a cup of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 cup of water. Mix the neem leaves thoroughly under running water to remove dirt and debris. Add the neem leaves and water to a pot and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and let the neem leaves simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until the water has turned green and the neem leaves have become soft. Remove the pot from heat and let the mixture cool. Strain the neem leaves from the water using a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. Combine the neem infused water with fresh aloe vera gel in a blender and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into a clean and dry jar container and store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. To use, apply to your scalp and hair roots, leave on for 30 minutes and then rinse off with water. You can use this gel once or twice a week to promote hair growth and improve the health of your hair and scalp. If you were able to get some value from this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Every day we post a daily health hack.